Hello everyone. Welcome back. Today we're practicing 99 weird sentences for pronunciation. Listen first, then repeat. Let's begin. The thinking thief threw 3 thick things through the window. She sells seashells while whales whisper wishes. Red lorries roll really roughly round rural roads. Very weary warriors viewed vivid violet valleys. The weather, whether or not we wander westward. 33,000 thoughtful thinkers thought thoroughly. Beautiful blue butterflies brought brown bread backwards. Fred's father fried fresh fish for breakfast Friday. The smooth leather sofa soothed the Southern brothers. 6 slippery snakes slithered slowly sideways suddenly. Wealthy women wore warm woolen winter wraps. 3 free throws threatened the thin athletic thief. Vincent visited various vacant villages very voluntarily. The wrist wrestles with wretched writing wrongly. Purple people probably prepare proper paper proposals. Thoughtful Theodore thanked 30,000 thankful thinkers. Really rare rabbits rapidly ran round restaurant rooftops. 7 silver swans swiftly swam southward silently. The clothes closet closes closer than the clothed closure. Wicked witches wished weird wishes on Wednesdays. 3,000 throats throw things through thick thoughts. Vivian viewed various valuable vases very vividly. Fresh fried fish from Fred's freezer finished first. The bath path mathematics rather bothers my father. Wool worn during winter warms wonderfully well. Thoroughly thoughtful thinkers think through thick theories. Red bread spread dreadfully across Fred's bed thread. Vast vases of violets vastly improved the vacant view. Whether the weather is warm or whether the weather's not. Proper copper coffee pots properly prop copper crops. The 6th sick shakes 6th sheep's sick 6th sense. 3 free throws through 3 threatening thunderstorms. Rubber baby buggy bumpers bounce beautifully backwards. Vivid violet visions visited various vacant valleys. The clothes cloth cleans closets closer than clothed cleaners. Wealthy Welsh women wore wonderful woolen waistcoats. 30,000 feathers fell from father's favourite furniture. Red lorries rarely run really right round rural routes. The smooth, soothing brother bothers another mother's leather. Fresh flesh of fish flashes from Fred's fish dish. Thick thinkers think thin thoughts through thick things. Vivacious Vincent voluntarily visited various vacant villages. The weather, whether worthwhile or worthless, worsens westward. Purple pearls probably produce proper, powerful proposals. Wretched writing wrists wrestle with wrongly written words. Thoroughly thankful Theodore thinks through thousand thoughts. Really rural roads rarely remain remarkably regular. 7 swans swim somewhere south of several silver shores. The cloth clothes close the closet closure completely. Weird Wednesday wishes, worried wicked witches worldwide. 3,000 thick things thrown through thoughtful theories. Valuable vases viewed from various vacant villa verandas. Fred's fresh fried fish finished first on Friday morning. The mathematics path rather bothers father's bathing routine. Wonderful wool worn during winter weather warms well. Thorough thinkers thoroughly think through thick theoretical thoughts. Red thread spread across Fred's bread bed dreadfully. Vast violet vases vastly improved various vacant views. Whether weather worsens or whether weather warms wonderfully. Proper copper pots, prop copper crops properly prepared. The 6th shake's 6th sheep senses something sick. 3 threatening throws through 3 thick thunderous storms. Beautiful rubber buggy bumpers bounce backwards brilliantly. Vivid visions visited various valleys very vividly. Clothes clean closets closer than cloth cleaners. Welsh women wore wonderfully warm woolen winter wear. Thousands of feathers from father's favourite furniture fell. Rarely do red lorries run right round rural roads. The smooth brother's leather soothes another soothing mother. Fresh fish flesh flashes from Fred's favourite fish dish. Thick thinking thinkers think through thin, thoughtful things. Vincent voluntarily visited various very vacant village venues. Weather worsens whether we wander westward or not. Purple proposals probably produce proper, powerful pearls. Wrestling wrists write wrongly worded, wretched writings. Theodore thoroughly thinks thankful thoughts through thousands. Rural roads really rarely remain remarkably regular. Swans swim somewhere south seeking several silver shores. Cloth closes closets completely covering clothes cleanly. Wednesday witches wished weird worldwide worrying wishes. Thrown things through thousands of thick, thoughtful theories. Valuable vacant villas viewed various violet vases. Fred's Friday fish finished first from fresh freezers. Father's bathing path rather bothers mathematical thinking. Wool warms wonderfully well during winter weather worn. Theoretical thinkers think thoroughly through thick thoughts. Dreadful red thread spread across Fred's breadbox bed. Vast views vastly improved by various violet vases. Weather warms wonderfully whether or not we wish. Copper crops properly propped by proper copper pots. Sixth sheep scents the shake's sixth sickness. Thunderous throws through 3 threatening thick storms. Bouncing buggy bumpers beautifully bring backwards rubber. Valleys visited by vivid violet visions very clearly. Closets cleaned by cloth closer than clothes cleaners. Winter women wore woolen waistcoats wonderfully warm. Furniture feathers from father's favourite fell forward fast. Lorries rarely run round really rough rural routes. Leather soothes the smooth brother and another mother. Fish flashes from Fred's fresh fried favourite dish. Thinking through thick things thoroughly trains thinkers. Villages vacant and various visited by Vincent voluntarily. Excellent work today. You've practiced 99 weird sentences for pronunciation. These help you master difficult sound patterns. Keep practicing every day. See you next time. Goodbye.
Pronounce faster.